Taking your vehicle to a big-name chain service provider can be expensive and irritating. Whether you need a new paint job or touch-up, a tune-up, at Scion of Orlando, we provide complete service for your Scion vehicle, from regularly scheduled maintenance to transmission repairs. Here at our state-of-the-art facility, our highly trained Scion service technicians are dedicated to getting your repairs done right the first time. And while you relax in our spacious new waiting area, you can enjoy our cafe, free Wi-Fi, and shuttles to the Millennium Mall. Visit us at www.scionoforlando.com for information or to set an appointment. While you're there, check out our Scion service and parts specials. See pictures and bios of our service, parts, and collision staff. Learn more about our certified service, collision, and parts center. And when you go to a certified dealer for service, your vehicle's warranty stays intact. Call, click, or come in for more information. Scion of Orlando is located at 3575 Vineland Road in Orlando, Florida.